Good morning, everybody. See, in today's class, we'll be dealing with biotechnology, the principle and processes. So basically, if we focus, what is basically biotechnology? That means it's a technology that is combined with biology. That means the subject is the main principle or the main object of this technology. That means this technology involves the use of various techniques using live organisms. See, live organisms with technology gives the name biotechnology. So these live organisms are used to produce products and processes useful to human. So that is why basically biotechnology, in other words, can be known as micro-mediated process. Okay, these biotechnology involve processes that is known as a micro-mediated process. Now, for example, the example is, for example, if you take breweries means winemaking. If you take bakeries, that means they involve certain microorganisms. Even the biotechnology companies that produces medicine, biotech companies, they also use microbes. That means they make use of live organism to produce processes, produce products basically that is useful to humans. Now here you see these are principles. Now what are the principles on which the biotechnology works? Now biotechnology works on the principle of genetic engineering. Okay, so genetic engineering and bioprocess engineering. Now basically we know that this genetic engineering, what is basically genetic engineering? Genetic engineering basically deals with the process of DNA changing. That means they make genetic engineering, they involve techniques. Okay, so they involve techniques that modulates the chemistry of DNA and they can produce any desired quantity of organism. Even they can produce any new organism that might be genetically different from the parent offspring but beneficial to the human being. Another is just genetic engineering. They have commercial aspects in DNA fingerprinting and they are widely used in the forensic studies. That means they can present before you the DNA history of the offender, okay, or a murderer. So that can be used in forensic science. So genetic engineering is one of the latest and one of the vastly used methods that has been used. And second comes the bioprocess engineering, and this bioprocess engineering involves techniques of use of another I said these micro-mediated process. They use techniques to produce vaccine, they techniques to use antibiotics, and even they can make use of products that can be beneficial for human transplant. For example, bone marrow transplantation. Bone marrow transplantation is also another one of the basic process that is followed in genetic engineering. For example, if a person is suffering from cancer, the cancerous cell can be killed by if a new type of cells that can be transplanted within the body of the sick patient from the healthy person who have similar DNA. For example, siblings, brothers and sisters, they can donate their bone marrow to a patient. So these are the processes that is involving genetic engineering and bioprocess, both in biotechnology. Now this is a very promising science in your field. Now for example, here you see we are here the principles of biotechnology. The principles of biotechnology is basically, see, one is the genetic engineering, where you see the techniques to alter the chemistry of the genetic material both in the RNA and DNA. See, DNA and RNA are the basic genetic material you find, and here again you find, see, the bioprocess. See, bioprocess engineering that helps in the maintenance. For example, see, microbial contamination free. That means what? The vaccines, when they are produced, the microbial content, they are not infections. Okay, so these chemical engineering processes enable the growth of only the desired microbe of the eukaryotic cell in large quantity for the manufacture of biological products. For example, antibiotics, vaccine, and enzymes. Okay. Now here, the next part we'll be dealing with the detailed structure of recombinant DNA, gene cloning, gene transfer, origin of replication and plasmid. This is basically we have dealt it when we were dealing with the DNA probing and DNA fingerprinting. So I'll be giving you notes also with this topic.